Hey, first gen celica. I'm making a video to show you how to replace your rear hatch shocks. On the original, the bottom screws in. The top has a pop rivet, which is on the bracket. All you do is drill out the pop rivet, and that'll leave it empty. And you unscrew the bottom bolt. Now the replacements that they say that are made for them do not fit. As you see, this is a direct replacement according to the internet. And since the brackets are welded on, the bottom, you notice, is much too short. And I tried to put them on and it did not fit. So I just measured it, went online, and found one of the same length. And the closest one I could find was about a half an inch shorter, but it works very well. So all you have to do is, like I said, drill out the pop rivet on that bracket and take a 10mm ball stud and attach, and then take another 10mm ball stud and screw it in, and it should be a direct fit. If you read my description, it's a 10mm ball with 8mm threads, 1.25 spacing, and the new ones you just take, and it's nice and easy. Just snaps right in. Do the same to the top. That's it. These ones work well. When you open it, and I have a wing attached, and they even hold that up. They're just fine. About right there. Go all the way down and close. And that's how you do it. Pretty easy. While I'm at it, I'll show you a quick view of my car I've been working on. It's pretty clean. I bought it with a 22R block, 20R head, has dual McKinney carbs. And I've wired it for halogen lights with all the appropriate new relays.